Good morning, students. Today we are doing the concept of class 9th, chapter 1st, real number system. Now you are thinking, chapter name is number system. Why I am writing real number system? Because up to class 10th you are doing up to real system only. But number system is into divided two parts, real and complex. But now we are doing only real number system. Yes, real number system means number system. Up to 10th means real number system. Yes, real number is divided into many numbers. Every number is real, that I will explain now. First one is natural number. This is also real. What is natural? All counting numbers are called natural numbers. There is no greater number. Greatest means a largest number, but there is smallest number. Smallest natural number is 1. Why? Because it is starting from 1. It is denoted by capital N. It is denoted by capital M. So like 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you got this is smallest natural number. Largest we cannot tell because it is going on. Next number is whole number. All natural numbers together with the 0 is called whole number. It is denoted by W. Like 0, 1, 2, 3 up to so on. Only 0 is added with the natural, it becomes whole. Yes, smallest whole number is your 0, but largest you cannot find because it is going on. Next, every natural number is a whole number, but not every whole number is a natural number because 0 is a whole, but it is not included in natural number. So this definition is not hold. Every natural is whole, but every whole is not a natural because of only 0. Next one is integers. All negative numbers, 0 and natural numbers are included in integers. It is denoted by I capital and Z capital. Some books are writing to it by I, some are writing by Z. There is neither smallest nor a largest you can find. Like this number line, you know, integer number line, where you will write the negative number on left hand side and positive number you will write on right hand side. 0 will remain in center. Yes, means like every negative natural number, 0 and all natural numbers are included in integers. Next is real number. Every number in the form of P upon Q, where Q is not 0, means denominator, because it will make its undefined. If you put in 0, then it will become undefined. P and Q are integers, means can be any number. Yes, real number is denoted by capital R. It is divided into two parts, means it has two parts. First one is rational, second is irrational. In rational, it is denoted by Q, and irrational is written by IQ. IQ. Yes, now you were thinking, what is here? Every real number is either rational or irrational, because rational is coming from real and irrational is also coming from real. So every real number is either rational or irrational. Second, every rational and irrational number is real number. सेम हेयर, मतलब अगर कोई रैशनल है या इरेशनल है वो तो रियल है ही, क्योंकि वो उसी के तो पार्ट है. नेक्स्ट, रैशनल नंबर इज टर्मिनेटिंग. टर्मिनेटिंग मीन्स इट विल स्टॉप एट एनी पॉइंट, या वी कैन से इट कैन बी रिपीटिंग ऑल्सो. एंड रियल नंबर कैन बी रिटन इन फॉर्म ऑफ P upon Q, but irrational cannot be written in form of P upon Q. Means real is divided into two. This can be written as P upon Q, but Irrational cannot be written as P upon Q. Next is irrational number is non-terminating. Irrational number is non-terminating and non-repeating. Means if any number is repeating, just terminating, then it is included in the category of rational. So I am telling about rational and irrational by doing some questions. Let us discuss. I have taken some examples. I will explain how is there. Pi. Pi is what? Pi is irrational. Why irrational? Because it cannot be written in form of P upon Q. Now you are thinking 22.7. What is this? This is rational. Why? Because it can be written as P upon Q. Q is non-zero. Now you are thinking, ma'am, pi is equal to 22.7 we are putting. But this is not an exact value. Its value is going on up to so many digits. So, pi is irrational, but 22.7 is your rational number. Next, root 3. Root 3 is what? But root 3 is what? Every number which is in the form of prime factor. It cannot be broken and you are not able to remove its square root, then it is irrational. Root 3, root 5, root 2, root 7, root 11, all numbers are included in irrational. Next is 1.6785. This number is terminating. Means, so it is rational. This is rational, terminate. This is irrational, irrational. Next, this see firstly 1.30, then 3 2 times 0, then 3 times 0. Means it is not repeating. It is existing in different manner. So it is also irrational. Next 1.7777. It is non-terminating but repeating. Means we can say 1.7 bar. One number is coming again and again. So it is known as rational number. Rational number. This is also because 73 you know it is coming repeating again and again. So it is also rational. This is what? This is also, you will see the cycle is going on. So this is also rational. I hope you are getting which is terminating, yeah, repeating. Then you can say it is rational. If non-terminating, non-repeating, yeah, root having, that term is known as irrational. Pi is also irrational. I hope you are getting. This is your number system.